Hi all. I just want to share quick something with you. Just this beautiful nature. So beautiful over here. Or this side. Being in nature is for me always a way to reconnect with myself and to feel the peace and the quietness, and creation can flow when I'm here. And while I was walking, I was thinking, why is it that when I'm in nature everything is so much easier? What came up was, in nature everything is just is what it is. There is no tree or a bird trying to be something else than it is. And they just do, the trees for instance, they just do what they do, and there's nobody expecting something from them other than to be the tree they are. So when I walk in nature, I can be who I am because nobody is expecting something else from me, and I'm not expecting anything else from me than just be. So I guess that's why I can reconnect with myself. I can let all feelings be and arise and just feel them for what they are, accept them. And if you can't stay with the feelings, then you can be aware of the beliefs that are arising, and then you can question them. Or you just can feel what you feel and accept what is coming up without any labels or without any judgments. So if you feel alone, or if you feel depressed, or if there is something else, disconnecting from yourself always makes you suffer. So if you need to reconnect with yourself, just go for a walk in nature. And it doesn't have to be for hours, Sometimes you just can go in for 10 minutes, just sit and listen and tune in with your body, tune in with who you are, connect with yourself. And the moment you connect with yourself, then you connect with everything that is, and you feel complete and whole. And there's just peace. Just want to show you one more time the view, and then hopefully this helps you.